Hello, today we will learn about nullable data types. Let's see a program snippet. Okay, so here we have integer I which I have declared as a nullable type rather than a simple integer type. So this I has a method now has value. So if I holds any non-null value, then we are going to write that on a screen. Otherwise we are going to write as a null. Now, why there is a need to declare I as a nullable type rather than a simple integer? So, here is your answer. Null values can come from the database. So, it's not a simple program, but most of the real world programs involve the database, reading from the database, and assign their values to the primitive data types like integer, float, whatever. So the database can have null as a value stored inside them, which can be read into the variable. And what happens if we try to read a value from the database? Say here we have a method get value from database, which actually reads from the database and assigns a value to I. Now here we don't know if I is going to be assigned with a null value or not. So if that is null and if that integer I is a simple primitive data type, then what happens? Your program crashes at the runtime. Now you don't want that to happen, right? So that's why whenever you are reading from the database and assigning value to your variables, make sure that your variables are um, able to store the null values. So the only way you can do that by making your variables as nullable types. Hope this makes sense to you and let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.